Namaste, Namaskara, Vanakkam, and welcome to All You Need to Know. Today's tutorial is for all the ethnic girls out there. Basically, I'm going to try incorporating certain makeup tricks and techniques that would complement our features and our skin tone. Therefore, without much delay, let's dive and just jump right into the topic. We're going to begin with moisturizing our face. Use any moisturizer that you have and apply it throughout your face and your neck area. Next, go ahead and use the primer that you use. I use the L'Oreal Matte Magic Primer. I'm going to apply it on my T-zone area basically. For this makeup look, you can either use a BB cream or a foundation. I'm going to go ahead and use my foundation and I'm going to buff it into my skin with a beauty blender. Don't forget to apply the foundation in your neck area as well. I'm going to use the same foundation as a concealer to cover my dark circles. So one trick is let the makeup sit on your skin for about a few seconds and then start blending. It will give you maximum coverage. Blend the foundation under your eye with your fingers. It's better that way because it melts the product into your skin with the warmth of your hands, which is easier to blend and give a flawless finish to your skin. With that being done, let's go ahead and powder our face. You can use any powder you have, a loose powder or a compact powder. I'm going to go ahead and use a compact powder, again by L'Oreal, and just buff it into my T-zone area. I'm not going to use much. This is just to set the makeup in your skin, so don't go ahead and use much. After you powder, the next is to accentuate your cheekbones and your jawline, and I basically use a dry beauty blender and my L'Oreal nude eyeshadow palette for this step. If you have a bronzer or if you have a cream contour, please do not forget to do this step before you powder your face. Just gonna squeeze my beauty blender and take the brown eyeshadow that's available in the nude eyeshadow palette and just buff it into my jawline and cheekbones to emphasize them. And coming to nose contour, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same brown eyeshadow from the L'Oreal eyeshadow nude palette. Sides of my nose with eyeshadow on my finger. It gives me a natural and a more defined look basically. Don't forget to connect your contour to your eyebrows. Yeah, that comes to the end with contouring. Next, go ahead and use a blush. Well, depending on your preferences, you can use any color blush you like, but it's a well-known fact that for Indian skin tone, colors like pink, red and orange are more, complements us very well. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and use a pink blush on my cheekbones. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same technique by using a dry beauty blender and emphasize my cheeks with this pink color. The technique here is you need to use the blush and buff it really well into your skin to make it look really natural. Now coming to the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use the L'Oreal eyeshadow nude palette, and I'm going to use basically I'm going to use a brown shade that is a bit darker than my skin tone, and I'm going to buff it into my crease area. Be light-handed with this and work your way through. It depends on if you want a really bold crease or just to emphasize your eyelids, depending on your preference. Please go ahead and use as much as brown eyeshadow you want. Starting from the corner of your eyes, in circular motions, come down all the way to the mid of your eye. So with the same brown eyeshadow, I'm going to run it through under my eyes. Once you're done using the brown eyeshadow near your crease area and near your waterline, I'm gonna go ahead and use a kajal. You can use any kajal, and I'm gonna apply it only near the waterline area, as most of us Indians prefer using kajal and not an eyeliner. And the last step for the eyes is going ahead and curling your eyelashes and applying more than one coat of mascara. Be generous with your mascara please feel free to apply one or more than one coat. I'm going to take a Revlon nude lip color, basically not brown nude but on the pinkish and orangish coral type of nude, and just lightly apply it on my lips. And lastly, apply a little bit of highlighter on the high points of your face. And the finishing touch to this makeup look is applying a bindi, which between your eyebrows, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye guys.